Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Machi De Castro, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna discuss about hand tool equipment for animation. So, come on, let's go. So, we have some hand tool equipment here that I can present to you. So, first, we have a pencil. Pencil. Pencil is uses for writing, and some people use this for drawing, like anime, literature, humans, people, animal, etc. So we have pencil here to draw or writing anything. So the next one is we have eraser. Eraser have a two types. It have a plastic one and a rubber one. And I have the rubber one. So as you can see, it's a rubber. Okay, it's a rubber. Okay. Eraser used for erase a pencil's ink. This one is a partner. So if you don't have this eraser or this one, you're unable to erase. The one you make uses this pencil. So, and the purpose of this eraser for animation is after you use a mechanical pen, you will use this to erase the pencil you use to draw first. I hope you understand. And the last one I would like to present is it's a bigger one. I present to you a scanner. Okay. This one is a big one. Bigger scan. Oh, sorry. Better scanner have a highest resolution to scan your documents or works sheet. So let's open this. So as you can see, there a white background here for clean scanning. This used for this used to apply your drawing to computer to start to animate using Adobe Animation. I forgot the application name. So yeah. So this one is a better one, but the biggest better one is the camcorder. But I don't have one, so yeah, we only have scanner here. So I explain how to use this. Example, this drawing, I like to copy it to my computer. So I will put it here and close this. And here you can see this copy, scan, PDF or email. So we can click this scan and voila, start rendering. So that's the three hand tools we can use on Animate. So yeah, back to my screen. I hope you learned a lot from me because I am not fluent in English, and actually I'm not straight in English. I can speak English grammarly, so forgive me. Again, it's me, Machi De Castro, and see ya in the next vlog. Bye!